Here's a 2019 Audi A4. With a chiseled profile, luxurious cabin, and German-engineered performance, this A4 is the ultimate go-getter. It's well-equipped with the features you need. Smart device navigation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.